Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to change application language in Prime Video on iPhone. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly of course you just have to open these Prime Video applications, and as you can see here in my application I use the English here guys. So if you want to change this language, just go ahead to this My Stuff option at the bottom. Now tap on this gear icon at the top right, which is settings. After, at the bottom we'll find the language option. Just tap on it, and as you can see there are so many languages that provided by the application that you can use here guys. As you can see I use the English, so if you want to change it, for example I'm gonna change it to the Bahasa Indonesia. Just tap on it like this. Now tap on this yes, and as you can see it's already changed to an Indonesian here guys. So yeah, I think it's enough from me, a tutorial how to change application language in Prime Videos. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.